Hello everyone. First of all, I have to say it's really strange not to be sharing a glass of wine with you in our restaurants this month. But you know what, even in strange times like these, there's still time for wine. And this month's wine of the month is called Horse Heaven Hills. And now this wine gets its name from an appellation that you find in southern Washington state. It's right along the Columbia River, and the Columbia River is known for bringing in really great cooling influences to this fairly warm region. It's very famous in particular for Bordeaux varietals like Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. This is a blend of 73% Cabernet, 27% Merlot. And that's really delicious. You really get the power and the weight from the Cabernet, lots of dark fruit like blackberry and blackcurrant and black plum. There's also this really beautiful herbal undertone, a little bit like bay leaf or sage, which gives it a really nice savory note. There's also some dusty cocoa flavors, as well as cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, all coming from the oak aging. Gorgeous wine. This is gonna go great with dinner, and I hope that you enjoy it this month. So cheers to you and your family. May you remain happy and healthy.